Honestly, it's probably the number one trait of the people who don't make it long term in data science. They never learn to get away from talking about the math, the code, and the theory and talking to the business, right? I know I say it jokingly, but I do mean it seriously. Nobody shows up for meetings with the math guy, right? When the math guy sends out a meeting invite, that's the one people delete, right? So you can't be that math guy. And I've said before, you don't need it as much math and data science as you think you do, right? So you have to learn how to talk in business terms and present business impact, not code impact, not algorithm impact, or hey, I did this and it uses the latest and greatest tool. They don't care. What I tell my first year analysts, or really all of my teams, is that ultimately the business, they just want our bottom line, our reports, right? How we got there doesn't even matter to them. We could have used a room full of monkeys to come up with the answer, right? They don't care. They don't care that we use this massive, amazing neural network with the latest frameworks and updates. They don't care. They want to know, here's the data I gave you. What can I do with it? And okay, you showed me progress. What are your projections, right? What are your predictions, right? And then how can I put this in an app for me, right? That's really all they care about. If you don't make that jump, then your career in data science will be very short, right? You have to be able to work with the business side. I guarantee you that's the case. And I've seen this, and I'm telling you that because I've seen this.